Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Renko Charts. And today, I thought since the market really isn't doing much, notice here I have a vertical line in for the London Open, and we haven't really done much on the euro. We're kind of stuck between the 1240 and also the 1220 region. Now, we're starting to kind of come back down and test the bottom part of the range, but nothing to get me excited in trading as of yet. There's just not much movement, and we're just going to have to wait and see what happens as the morning progresses here. It's just after 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so instead of, maybe recording a trade or doing some more analysis, I thought we would make a cable chart using all of the things that are on the euro and the yen. So first of all, what you do is you just open up one of these wonderful charts, put it to the 1 minute, and then we start adding the different indicators. Now, I don't use all of the indicators that were posted in the forum, but let me show you what indicators I do have on the euro. So I have the fractal support and resistance. I have the super signal line, the sweet spots, and the slope indicator. And finally, I do have a daily open line, but you know what? I'm not sure why, but I don't see it on my chart. So I'm not sure if there's something wrong with that. It works on regular charts, but I'm not sure. Anyways, if you can plot the daily open line also manually by just taking your open price at 12 midnight, and whatever that open price is will be the open price for the entire day. I'll get more into the daily open line maybe in a later video. But let's keep our focus here, and let's get started with building this chart for cable. So first thing we need to do is scroll down, and in your, well, at least in mine, expert advisors will have something called, where is it? Yes, here. We need this Renko EA to post over to our chart, so we'll just drag it over. And then we have a bunch of information, so we'll close that off. And let's go ahead and look at some of these options. So we need to change this to 100. That gives us a box size, box size of 10. And we need to change this to true, the Renko median Renko, and we need to change the bottom one here to 3,500. Okay, and that's about it. That's all the tweaks you need to do, and all we have to do now is click on OK. All right, and you'll start to see that this chart will have a blue box, and it's telling us that now we can go to an offline chart and open it up. We're looking for the offline chart M2. Okay, so let's just minimize this. We won't need this chart anymore. Okay, so to find the offline chart, simply File and File, Open Offline. Wait for that to build. Any moment now. There we go. And we'll scroll down to find our cable. Okay, hopefully it's in here somewhere. Okay, so we're looking for M2, and there it is. It only has 207 bars in it right now. I'm not sure why that is, but anyways, we'll just open it up. Oh, right. And for some reason, I have some old stuff in here that it always opens up into this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the objects list, and I need to delete a bunch of things. Like this. All of these things need to be deleted from this chart. In this build of MetaTrader, for some reason, all of the stuff that I've been trying out has not deleted itself. So I'm just going to quickly do this. Okay, close. And I think there are some indicators in here as well that we need to get rid of, like this. I don't like having news on there. Don't like that. And finally, we'll get rid of that. Okay, now we have a blank cable chart. And now what we're going to do is we're going to load the template that I've made for this system. So it's just simply what I've called my template is Renko main. I put some number signs around it so that it just floats to the top of the list. Okay, there we go. And it's done. Just like that. We have a cable chart with all of our necessary things on it. Pretty easy. It's relatively easy to make a chart using this system. And we'll start tracking the cable. Let's tile these windows. Do that and that. There we go. That's what I wanted. Okay, so here we have it. We have 3 different currency pairs on our screen now. We have the euro, we have the yen, and we also have the cable. Let's have a closer look at the cable now and just to see what we're dealing with. Let's look for the... Okay, so that is the London Open there. It kind of bounced, tested the low, and then rallied away from it. Now we're actually through the lows of the London session, so I'm not sure exactly what we're heading on doing here, but it's probably more towards the downside. I would probably be watching that 2865 level, see if that holds, and try to see if we can find a short signal around that area. But as of right now, looks like there were some mixed signals along the way here on the cable. A lot of the action happened like late in Asia and just before London Open. Okay, we'll move that one back. Let's see here. Let's see what's on the docket for the yen. And once again, we're kind of stuck here in a range between, looks like 101.45 and 101.25. So can't really do much here in this range. You can't. You can kind of guess. Okay, is it going to go this way? Is it going to go that way? But no guessing around here. And the euro doing the same thing. Not much to do at all. So as we wait, we'll just keep our powder dry until volatility picks up. And maybe during the ISM later on, maybe we'll see some volatility, and maybe we'll get a trend for the day a little bit later. Well, it was great to make a new video today. I hope you guys have a great trading week, and I look forward to making more videos a little bit later. All right, have a great week, everyone, and we'll see you next time.